Hi everyone, this is Erica at OmBody. I am currently in our sauna for a couple of reasons. One is because I'm going to chat about circulation and mobility and how to balance one's circulation in the body and what that's all about. And then two, we have construction happening out there, and so this is the only quiet space that I can find. so, so it serves a couple of purposes. But here we go. As far as the yoga practice is concerned, circulation of in the body in a balanced way can help to enhance our feeling of well-being, our feeling of life and energy in the body, our ability to go about our day and do the things that we want to do with joy and grace and ease. And that all has to do with what the term in yoga is called prana, P-R-A-N-A, prana. And it is translated in many ways, but one of the ways that we can translate prana is life force or vitality, the ability or that energy that moves through the body. If we are alive, we have prana. So it's an inherent aspect of ourselves that we all have prana in the body as long as we are alive. And it is our job, it is our gift to be able to work with this prana skillfully and enhance it as we're able so that we can live our best lives and also serve the higher good in the world. And so we all want to have the best circulation of prana that we can. And according to yoga and the sages of yoga, thousands of years of study and practice, prana is organized through channels in the body. So it's an organized energy. It's moving in an organized fashion. It's not something that we guess about or that we theorize about. Prana moves in an organized fashion through the body, through what we call nadis, or these channels or rivers of energy. And you can look up maps online, or you can, in your further study, you can look at how these channels have been mapped through the body in Eastern philosophy and practice, as well as how modern Western science is starting to map how those energy pathways move through the body as well. So there are many systems, the yoga system, the traditional Chinese medicine system. There are many different systems of how this energy moves, again, in an organized fashion through the body. And we can work with practices in our yoga practice to enhance this movement of prana so we feel more energized. So even if we don't understand any of this, you know that if you've practiced yoga, either a physical practice, a meditation practice, a breath practice, etc., that you have felt something. You have felt more alive in some way, shape, or form, whether it be in your muscles and bones, in your mind's focus, etc. That is prana. That is that feeling of energy, vitality, and life that is moving more effectively and efficiently through your body. And so we've all felt it. And just knowing again that we have this inherent prana or energy in the body. We don't have to make it up. It's there. We don't have to do anything outside of ourselves to make it happen. It's there and it's organized, but we can work with it skillfully. Okay, so what are some ways in the yoga practice that we can do this? One way is through mudra, which is a hand gesture for a specific intention and purpose. Mudras can also are also defined as full body as well. There are full body mudras. There are specific areas of the body that we can make certain gestures with as well. So just a side note. But what we've done at OmBody this month is to have, to have a mudra of the month. And so you can see our calendar here for February with all the wonderful stuff happening. And then on the back, we have our mudra or hand gesture of the month. And it is called Prana Mudra, which is serendipitous as we're talking about circulation and prana, moving that energy intelligently through the body. And so there are instructions on how this mudra is done if you grab a calendar, and I can just show it here to you so that you kind of get an idea and you can practice it. It can be practiced any time of day. There really aren't any contraindications for this mudra. And so it is intended to bring more energy, life, circulation, awareness of that prana, that life energy in the body. All right, so you take, done with both hands, all right, and sitting in a comfortable position or lying down. And then you take the ring finger and the little finger to the tip of the thumb. And there's a little bit of space between the two fingers. And then the other two fingers are straight. Again, a little space, all right, between the fingers. And then we simply, and I'll show you here in an up position, but this would normally be on my lap. My hand would be on my lap in this position. And so the pointer finger and the middle finger are straight, and the tip of the little and the ring finger are touching with gentle pressure against the thumb. Little space between all the fingers. Then turning the palm up, and then you can place one or both hands in this mudra on the lap in a comfortable position. And this mudra can be done for a minute at a time, working up to 5 minutes, even up to 15 minutes with this mudra, breathing easily. So the breath should be comfortable. There is no holding or heroic shaping of the breath. The more relaxed that we can be in our breath and in our body, the more effective we can work with this Prana Mudra here. Okay, so try it at home. All right, let us know what you think. We'll also be working with this mudra in some classes and workshops as well. I know my classes on Tuesday, Thursday morning will be working with the Prana Mudra and improving circulation, enhancing circulation of that prana that is already within us, that is always beneficial, life-giving, and brings us joy and confidence in our daily lives. So practice your Prana Mudra daily, or most days if you can, and notice what you feel. Notice if you feel any difference. Notice what's real for you. Do you feel more confident, at ease, stable in your day? How does it affect your mind? How does it affect what you want to bring into your mind or into your body, and what you want to leave behind? What brings you more life? What is life-giving to you? That's what this mudra is all about. And we wish you happy practicing, and we certainly hope to see you here at OmBody for a class or a service very soon. Happy circulating, everybody. Take good care. Try the sauna too.